Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. As usual, we are going to be looking at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index, can clearly see that we have shifted structure. So we were bullish previously, but right now we shifted structure to the bearish side. Why do I say that? Because if you look here, we created a higher low. Now this higher low failed to put in a new higher high, and instead we had price break below that higher low here. Now let me mark that out for you. So once price breaks below this, that is where we had a shift. Now, so here, what this is telling us that we should start looking for bearish setups. So if you look closely, what do you see? We have this order block here. So what are my expectations for the coming trading week? My expectations are simple. I want to have a retracement to this level here. So I want to have a retracement to this level before we start pushing downwards. And if that's my expectation, where are my targets for this trade? So my first target is probably going to be this low right here. We have a low right here, this old low here, right? This old daily low. Then after this, probably we are going to be heading towards this other daily low right here. Now with that in mind, let's switch over to dollar-based currency pairs. Now you have let's look at GBP/USD for example. So if you have a bearish dollar index, what are you going to have on pound USD? You're going to have a bullish pound USD. And if you look closely, that is what we have here. You can see we had pound USD was previously bearish, but now we broke structure here. So if you look at this area here, this was where we broke the previous lower high, right? So once that happens, that means that we are now in a bullish market condition. So what are my expectations? If you look closely here, you can see that we have a fair value gap here. Let me mark that out for you. So we have this fair value gap, right? This is the first point of interest we have here. And what are my expectations? I want price to retrace into this fair value gap before we start pushing higher. So if that's going to be the case, where are the targets for the trade? Now, first target is going to be this high here. Let me mark that high out for you guys. So we have this high. Second target is probably after that. The second target is going to be this higher one here. Probably we have this one. Yeah, this is the one next. This equal high here. So this is the next target after this. After this target is taken out. So guys, that will be all for this video. Remember to always practice good risk management on your accounts. I will see you all in the next video.